Bottled lotus rootlets are small, thin slices of lotus root that have been preserved in a liquid, typically vinegar or brine. Lotus root is a long, tubular root vegetable with a crunchy texture and a slightly sweet, earthy flavor. It is often used in Asian cuisine and is known for its nutritional value and medicinal properties. Bottled lotus rootlets are a convenient way to add this unique ingredient to dishes without the need to slice and prepare fresh lotus root. They can be eaten as a snack or used as a garnish or in a variety of dishes, including stir-fries, soups, and salads. Here are a few dishes that commonly use lotus root as an ingredient. Lotus root salad. Thinly sliced lotus root is often used in salads, either on its own or combined with other vegetables. Stir-fried lotus root. Thin slices of lotus root can be stir-fried with vegetables and a flavorful sauce for a quick and easy meal. Lotus root soup. Lotus root can be added to soups and stews to add flavor and nutrition. Lotus root tempura. Slice lotus root into thin wedges and coat them in a light tempura batter before deep frying for a crispy, crunchy snack. Lotus root pickles. Lotus root can be pickled and served as a condiment or snack. Lotus root in curry. Lotus root can be added to curry dishes to add flavor and texture. Lotus root in braised dishes. Lotus root can be braised in a flavorful liquid to create a tender, savory dish. There are many other dishes that use lotus root as an ingredient, and it can be used in a wide variety of cuisines. Are there more ways to eat lotus rootlets? Please let us know.